Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, November 7 to 9, 2022. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have the northeast monsoon affecting the extreme northern parts of Luzon. That's the areas of Batanes and Babuyan Group, while including the coastal waters of Ilocos Norte, while the eastern and northern sections of Cagayan, including eastern Isabela, and already moving down towards Aurora province, we have the shear line or tail end of a frontal system. This will bring some rainfall and thunderstorms across the areas for the next 24 hours. It will be more frequent along the offshore areas of eastern Isabela or over the North Philippine Sea. And we have here the easterlies, warm easterlies, bringing some showers and thunderstorms as well across the eastern coastal areas of northern Quezon, including the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and the coastal waters of eastern Mindanao. So expect some rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas every day, because we are still on a La Niña climate, so we expect more rainfall during the afternoon or evening. We will be just a lucky place if ever there's no rainfall that will occur, especially if you're living along the eastern coastal areas or eastern seaboards of the country, because the La Niña is mainly enhancing the easterly surface wind flow. Even we don't have any tropical cyclone formation, we expect more rainfall to occur across these areas. And outside of PAR, we are all clear across the western Pacific. No tropical cyclone formation. We just have here a surface trough and the intertropical convergence zone over the eastern Micronesia and the Marshall Islands. And we are noticing some decrease of temperature, about 1 to 2 degrees, including the heat index, which is from 41 degrees, it's now down to 38, which is a sign that the winter season is on its way, and the start of the northeast monsoon Amihan will continue to peak, particularly during December and until February. Okay, the peak of the Amihan is January, February, so we expect more cooler days ahead. So don't forget to bring your jackets and sweaters when the cold conditions occur, particularly during the latter part or the last month of the year, that will be December. So that's the latest from our GovSat. Here's the latest fast animation. You can clearly see here the shear line generated by the frontal system, creating some thunderstorms over these areas. Okay, while the easterlies will continue to bring some moisture across the Bicol region during the evening in some areas, not actually all. Okay, these are isolated thunderstorms passing across the Bicol region and some parts of Visayas. And here's the zoom in satellite animation. As the evening progresses, you can clearly see here the cloudiness of these thunderstorms generated by the shear line, and the easterlies bringing some thunderstorms as well, moving into or over the Bicol region within the next couple of hours, and also over eastern Visayas, while local thunderstorms will persist across the rest of the Visayas and Mindanao. Here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Thursday. So we expect more rainfall across Batanes, Babuyan Group, and the eastern shorelines of Cagayan Valley, because of the shear line, the tail end of our frontal system. And also the easterlies will continue to bring some rainy and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. That includes the eastern coastal areas of the Bicol region and the eastern coastal areas of eastern Visayas, as well as eastern Mindanao, while localized thunderstorms will be expected across various sections of Visayas and northern Palawan within the next 3 days. So some thunderstorms will penetrate over inland Bicol region. So watch out. So don't. Okay, so far that's the latest from our 3-day forecast. Here's the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days. As you can see here, by tomorrow afternoon, easterlies and northeast monsoon will continue to prevail. And on Wednesday afternoon, the easterlies will still be the main dominant weather system across the Philippine Islands, particularly the eastern sections. And on Thursday afternoon, November 10, same easterlies will prevail because of the ongoing La Niña phenomenon. Okay, so that's it. That's the latest for this Monday, and we will return on Wednesday to give you more updates. And so far, we are still devoid of any tropical cyclone formation or low pressure areas in sight. So it's all clear across the eastern horizon for any threat. Okay, and we will let you know by next week and to the end of November if there will be another formation. But so far so good. For the next 5 days, it's all clear across the Philippine Islands and the Western Pacific. So that's the latest for today. We'll be returning again on Wednesday to give you more updates. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.